Welcome to Siksha Maths Academy. Today we will discuss trigonometry topic. Okay, this trigonometry topic in many areas we can use this trigonometric formulas. Okay, so today we will discuss Maths IIT, JEE and MSET trigonometry topic. Okay, see here basics. See here. So okay, this is the x-axis and this is y-axis. See here 0, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees and 360 degrees. Okay, see here, first one is, this is first quadrant and this is second quadrant and this is third quadrant and this is fourth quadrant. Okay, all of you know this diagram, all silver teacups. Okay, all means all silver tea cups. All means all signs, sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant, all are positive. Okay, so all are positive. Here yes means sine and cosecant. Sine and cosecant are positive. Okay, in this third quadrant, T means tan and cot are positive. Okay, see here cos and secant are positive. Okay, see here in this first quadrant, see the angles here. Here 90 minus theta and 360 plus theta quadrants. Okay, in second quadrant 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, and third quadrant 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, and fourth quadrant 270 plus theta and 360 minus theta. These are the very important. Okay, in first quadrant 90 minus theta and 360 plus theta, in second quadrant 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta, and third quadrant 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, in fourth quadrant 180 plus theta and 360 minus theta. See here, for 90 and 270 ratio will be change. 90 and 270 ratio will be change. Ratio will be change. For suppose 90, see here, sine change into cos, cos change into sine, secant change into cosecant, tan change into cot. Okay, for 90 and 270 ratio will be change. For example, sine 90 minus theta. Okay, 90 plus theta. Suppose 90 plus theta. Sine 90 plus theta, first you have to observe this. 90 plus theta is which quadrant ma? 90 plus theta is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive or negative? Positive. Why? Because in second quadrant, sine and cosecant are positive, no? So, sine 90 plus theta. But here 90 is there. 90 is there. Ratio will be change. Sine change into cos. Cos theta. So, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay. But 180 and 360 ratio no change. Ratio no change. Ratio no change. So sin 180 minus theta. Sin की sin, cos की cos, secant की secant, cosecant cosecant అలానే వస్తుంది. Okay. See here. Sin of, for example, sin of 180 minus theta is equal to sin of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta is second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive. So sin of 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Okay. Okay. See here, next, take the right angle triangle. So this is opposite, this is adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. You know very well, sine theta is equal to, sine means sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos means cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, opposite by adjacent. Okay, see here, sin theta is reciprocal of cosecant, and cos is the reciprocal of secant, and tan is the reciprocal of cot. Okay, so sin theta, secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Tan theta can be written as 1 by cot theta. So secant theta is the reciprocal of cos, cos the reciprocal of secant, and cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin, and sin theta is the reciprocal of cosecant. Tan theta, this is also 1 by cot theta. Okay, now next we will see the identities. Identities in secant and sin and cos, secant and cosecant, tan and cot. Okay, in sin and cos, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this, sin square theta is equal to, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and second one is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and secant square theta is equal to, secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Okay, so this is the basic. From this you can write secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Next, third one is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. From this, cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, these are the identities. Next we will see the double angle and half angle formulas. Okay, next we will see the double and half angle formulas. Okay, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and see here again formulas. Sin 2 theta in terms of tan 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. In terms of sin and cos, 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, sin 2 theta in terms of tan, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and in terms of sin and cos, 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so this half angle radham emotundi, sin theta is equal to, this is sin 2 theta, sin theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay, next, this 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay, so sin 2 theta in terms of tan, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and in terms of sin and cos, so 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so in this half angle formula మనకి ఏమవుతుందంటే sin theta is equal to 2 tan square theta by 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2, and in terms of sin and cos, 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay, now we'll next see the cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta, first in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, in sin and cos, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, cos theta minus sin square theta. In terms of cos, 2 cos square theta minus 1. In terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay, cos formulas, see here carefully. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta in terms of tan. Okay, in terms of sin and cos square theta minus sin square theta. Only in terms of cos, 2 cos square theta minus 1. In terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, now what about half angle? Cos theta is equal to half chain angle. So 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. This one also, so half angle. Cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. This is also 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay. See here, sin theta by 2 is equal to half angle. 1 minus cos theta plus or minus 1 minus cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2 is equal to half angle formulas plus or minus 1 square root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. Okay, so cos theta by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 plus cos theta by 2. Similarly, tan theta by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Next you can see the tan 2 theta formula. Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. See the difference between sin 2 theta and tan 2 theta. In this denominator 1 plus tan square theta, but here 1 minus tan square theta. Observe this. Okay. So sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta. So sin theta, cos theta. What about tan theta? Tan theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Okay. Next, triple angle formulas too. Next one, triple angle formulas. Triple angle formulas are sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay. Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Next, cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Next, tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay. So sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta, tan 3 theta. These are the very important formulas for objective. Okay. Next, see the next model. Sin of A plus B formula. So what is the formula of sin of A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. In these four formulas are there: sin of A plus B, sin of A minus B, cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B. Okay, see here carefully. So sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. See here, only minus is the difference. Next, cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Observe here carefully. Cos of A plus B is equal to, here plus, here minus. Okay, sin of A plus B, write as it is. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, but cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. You have to take opposite. See here, sin of A plus, here minus. Next, cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. See here, here also opposite, here minus, here plus. Okay, so cos of sin of a plus b, sin of a minus b, cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b. Okay, okay. The discussed is the formulas with us. Now we will see the example. See the first one. If 270 less than a less than 360 degrees and 90 less than b less than 180 degrees, cos a sin a cos a is equal to 5 by 13 and tan b is equal to minus 15 by 8 So then sin of a plus b. So what you want to find was sin of a plus b value you have to find. Okay, see the options. Okay. So, how can you find this value, sin of a plus b? See here, what is the given condition in our question? 270 less than a less than 360. First, you have to observe that which quadrant? 270 less than 360. So, 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. Okay. See here. 270, a lies between 270 and 360. A lies between 270 and 360. So angle A, which quadrant? Third quadrant. Okay, A belongs to third quadrant. Next, 90 belongs, B lies between 90 and 180. B lies between 90 and 180. 90 to 180. So B belongs to second quadrant. Okay, now take the given values. So given values are cos A is equal to 5 by 30 from this by Pythagoras theorem. This is angle A. So cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. So this part is 12. By condition AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So find out the third side. 12, 13, 5. Okay, next. What is the next condition? Next value is tan B is equal to 15 by 8. 15 by 8. This is angle B. So tan means opposite and adjacent. So this is 70. Calculate. You will get the 289. So 17 square. Okay. That is equal to. From this, so what is the formula of sin of A plus B? Sin of A plus B formula is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay. Now, you can substitute the values. Sin A value, you have to take all A values from this diagram. Okay. So, sin A is equal to, sin A value manaki opposite by hypotenuse. So 12 by 13 into cos B value, cos B adjacent by hypotenuse. So 8 by 17 plus cos A value, already here A value is there. So 5 by 13 into sin B value from here 15 by 17. 15 by 17, that is equal to, see here, 12 8s are 96, 17 into 13, 17 into 13, 91, 22. So 221, 221 plus 15 5s are 75. This is also 221. Take LCM 221, 96 plus 75. 96 plus 75, 11, 171. So 171 by 221. We'll get second option. Okay. Now using the formula sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay. So the next question, if sin x cos y is equal to 1 by 4 and 3 tan x is equal to 4 tan y, then sin of x minus y is in the form of sin of x minus y. So what you have to find using these conditions, now you have to find the sin of x minus y value. Okay. So what is the formula of sin of x minus y, sin of a minus b? Sin of a minus b is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay. So sin x cos y value is already is there 1 by 4, but what you have to want cos x into sin y value. Okay. Cos x into sin y. That's why. And now using these condition. Okay. Given question using these condition 3 tan x is equal to 4 tan y. So 3 into sin x by cos x is equal to 4 into sin y by cos y. Cross multiplication. 3 into sin x cos y is equal to 4 into cos x sin y. Okay. So already, but in this question sin x cos y value is 1 by 4. So in this place now I am substituting sin x plus cos y plus 1 by 4. Okay. So 3 by 4 is equal to 4 into cos x into sin y. Again this 4 send this side. So 3 by 16 is equal to sin x cos x sin y. So we'll get cos x sin y value also. So in these values substitute here. Sin x into cos y value is 1 by 4 minus cos x into sin y value is 3 by 16. Okay. 3 by 16, that is equal to 16 LCM. 4 4s are minus 3, right as it is. So 1 by 16 is the answer. So 1 by 16 is first option. So what you have to use our formula, sin of a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Already first part in this question. Second part, now using this condition 3 tan x is equal to 4 tan y. So substitute in this formula, it will get the answer. Okay. See my next sum. Here sin a plus sin b is equal to root 3 into cos b minus cos a. I think sin 3a plus sin 3b value. Okay. So first option is 0 and second option is 1 and third option is 2. Fourth option is minus 1. Okay. See here. How can you solve this one? Sin a plus sin b. So first, you know the formula sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2, and cos c minus cos d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin of d minus c by 2. Okay. Now using these two formulas, sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d means 2 sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of c d minus c by 2. Okay. Observe this formula. Cos c minus cos d. Okay. See here. Now using sin c plus sin d, applying the formula, sin of 2 sin of a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 sin of a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 is equal to, okay, root 3 into 2 into sin of a plus b by 2 into sin of, see here, b minus a, and a minus b by 2. Observe here. Here d means a and b means b. Okay, see here. 2 sin of a plus b by 2, 2 sin of a plus b by 2 gets cancelled. So cos of a minus b by 2, this sin of a minus b by 2 send this side. Cos by sin means cot. Cot of a minus b by 2 is equal to root 3. Cot, no, this value also I can write in terms of cot. Cot of a minus b by 2 is equal to cot 30 degrees. Okay, cot 30 degrees. Both sides removing the cot value. A minus b by 2 is equal to 30. A minus b is equal to 60. A is equal to 60 plus b. Now come here. Cos 3a, sin 3a plus sin 3b value. Now we want sin 3a. In this a place, I am writing 60 plus b. So 3 into 60 plus b. 3 into 60, 180 plus 3 into b, 3b. Understood? see here, in this A place, I'm writing 60 plus B. Okay, so sine of 180 plus theta, sine of 180 plus theta plus sine 3B, that is equal to sine of 180 plus theta. Sine of 180 plus theta is third quadrant. In third quadrant, sine is negative, so minus sine 3B plus sine 3B. All our gets cancelled, so we'll get 0. Okay, so first option 0. Okay, if ఇలాంటి మోడల్ ఇంకా మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్ ద వీడియో, లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్.